Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be doing a trade breakdown on my US 30 alert today. Started the day off with a very small loss, but then I recovered, made $5,500 in profit. That is actually kind of shit, considering it was fucking two lots. Again, Wednesdays. Very, very choppy. I've been saying it for months and months and months, back to back. You guys, this probably sounds like a broken record at this point. But I really think going forward, I'm just not going to fucking trade Wednesdays no more. Instead, just have a webinar Wednesdays with my team. NAS and what US 30, basically both. Wednesdays is just really a 50-50 day. I felt confident with both signals, both alerts. They ended up they did hit my entry with the take profits. It was definitely a struggle, especially with US 30 and NAS 100. US 30 did hit my entry, take profit one, two, three. First it hit it, first it pulled back, and then it squeezed up, and then she came down. So again, very, very choppy day today. I'll go over the Telegram, which is what you guys will see here on the left hand side. This is my private VIP Telegram group where I put all my alerts, all my signals from my members day in and day out, so that they can learn, earn, and get profit with me side by side. This is also where I'll be sharing the signals and alerts from my upcoming small account flip from $300 to $1 million. Round three, that is a goal, that is a game plan. But the market has been very, very rough. So ultimately, I am a little bit scared, a little bit nervous to be starting this Friday, the 13th. So, I'm not going to be so hard with it, so rushing it. I'm just going to trade the best and leave the rest. So, if you guys are interested in that, that is going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. If you guys are interested in being part of the private VIP Telegram group. So, let's go back here. Today is obviously October 11th. We were basically watching. Oh, let's go down here actually. So, this morning, we were basically looking at US 30 and NAS 100, right? So this was NAS 100. We had a nice little push up. We are basically hitting this zone right here, looking for it to basically. We had this crazy massive wick right here, okay? So that's why I was basically screaming sell, 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 right? We were basically holding this area, looking to sell it. This is where I was looking to sell it, and then obviously hit take profit one, take profit two, take profit three. Unfortunately, when the market opened, she just ripped right up over this basically zone. So that was pretty much shit. It's just extremely, extremely frustrating. But the same thing with US 30. You guys can see it basically the same exact trade pushed up. We basically had this zone here. At that point, I was basically looking for it to basically break this support level, fill our entry, come down, take profit one, take profit two, take profit three. Basically, where this area is right here, this basically support area, whereas basically I was looking for it to come down to. Now, again, the market was really rough, really choppy today, but you can see it did actually, with these crazy wicks, it did basically come down US 30 for a re-entry of the entry, take profit one, take profit two, take profit three. So, again, Wednesdays, I try to tell people Wednesdays could just be really, really, really rough. So, sometimes it's best not to trade Wednesdays. If you come to the market Monday and make $100, and you come to the market Tuesday, make $100, and you come to the market Wednesday, but you lose 400, and then you come back to the market Thursday, make 100, and then come back Friday and make 100. It's just you're basically just it's the Wednesdays. It's the Wednesdays that just throw the fucking ripple, throw the rock in the water and create that ripple effect. So really don't want that. But look at the bigger chart, bigger time frame. I mean, it was clean. It was just a really clean, solid, trade. Really clean, solid step with US 30. Basically we're hitting this resistance area. We're basically hitting this resistance area right here, right here. You can see she pushed up and then she sold off hard. So she consolidated, pushed up, came down, pushed up, basically looking for it to basically be some sort of a resistance area and basically come down, which it finally did do that, right? NOTS 100 has been more of a struggle. It's definitely been more and more of a struggle. With this one, maybe could have put my entry a little bit further down, but then at that point, I just don't like to see it being a chase. You can definitely see with NOTS 100, she definitely pushed up. Then we had that beautiful backside drop. We had that basically the resistance area right there, which is where she squeezed up to before she failed and then pulled back, sold off a little bit more, tried to push up again, failed again, and then sold off. So I don't know. Wednesdays, I think I just really need to be done with them. And with me being done on Wednesdays, that just definitely means that with the upcoming small account flip from $300 to $1 million, it would definitely take it a little bit longer because now I'm basically taking Wednesday. That's a trading day that I'm losing. But If it's a 50-50 day, we really don't want to trade 50-50 days. So that's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully it helps it educate you in some shape, way, and form. As always, if you guys are interested in being part of the team, being part of the private VIP Telegram group, it's going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. If not, continue watching my YouTube videos to learn, educate, get motivated. I make these videos to really help you guys because ultimately at the end of the day, I want to see you guys win, succeed, and make a lot of money at this. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and remember guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Cheers.